Local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. Yorktown police want to talk to 3 men in connection with the weekend shooting death of a high school senior. 18-year-old Chris Massengale of Yorktown was shot Saturday. He died yesterday. Newslink Indiana's Jerry Fernandez has more.
For the last year, 18-year-old Chris Massengale worked at this Yorktown McDonald's. Not far from the road where police say Saturday night, Massengale was shot as he stood outside a home. And not far from Yorktown High School, where Massengale was a senior. School officials didn't want to talk, but say counseling would be available for students. Neighbors on the quiet tree-lined street where Massengale lived, too emotional to talk. Yorktown police won't say much, but confirm they want to talk to 1 to 3 men. In Yorktown, Jerry Fernandez, Newslink, Indiana.
Muncie police say the death of a man found this morning at Beech Grove Cemetery may have been an accident. Cemetery employees found the body under the railroad track overpass in the graveyard. Police say it appears the middle-aged white man fell from the railroad onto the pavement, a drop of about 14 feet. An autopsy will be done to determine the exact cause of death, but police say the man's friends and family say it wasn't uncommon for him to take a walk along the tracks. As Election Day approaches, Jay County residents are learning how to vote. 50 electronic voting machines will be used for the first time in Jay County precincts November 2nd. The county spent $213,000 on the new equipment. The long line of voters in Dunkirk tried out the push-button machines today.
The new voting system is going to be a little more simple than the older one was.
It may not be easy for people my age.
I liked it. Lots better than punching it.
Jay County Clerk will demonstrate the new equipment Wednesday at Bluff Point Community Center from 1:30 to 3 and 5 to 7. The following Wednesday, demonstrations are at Bryant Community Center from 11:30 until 12:30. Well, now here's Ina Segal with a look at our forecast. Ina?
Well, Chris, we definitely did have a beautiful day today. Not a cloud in the sky, but we were cooler than average. And this cooling trend will last well into tonight and tomorrow. For tonight, we're going to see a low of 30 degrees. And be advised that we are under a freeze warning well into the AM hours as tomorrow. But for tomorrow, clear and cool, and seasonably cool at that, with a high of 59 degrees and calm winds, but plenty of sunshine.
Thanks, Ina. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 10:57 for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day by logging on to our website, newslinkindiana.com.